Your customer comes in and says, "I'm in big trouble. I stripped one of my caliper bolts. I need a new spindle." Ouch. On the surface, this sounds really bad. First thing to do is to calm them down. Once they have stopped hyperventilating, you can get to the repair possibilities. First, you need to get some information on what's really broken. The confusion here lies in the fact that two different items are referred to as caliper bolts. The first thing that comes to mind is the bolt that holds on the caliper bracket. These are usually pretty stout bolts, and it would take a lot to break one. They do make oversized ones, and if this is really the problem, you can assist them with the proper drill and tap size and the larger bolts. This is unlikely the issue due to the normal size of these fasteners. The other likely culprit are the caliper slide bolts. There are several different designs of these. Some have the threads at the very end, while others have the threads near the head of the slide. If the thread is at the end, it is more likely that they broke it off. In this case, a left-hand drill bit and a tap are in order. There are replacements available that actually have self-cutting threads in the end, and they will recut the threads as they are turned in. If the threads are near the head, it is likely they have been stripped. You can sell them a new guide pin bolt and a good tap of the right size. This should do the trick. If the threads are way oversized, then a helicoil and a new bolt will get them rolling again. Regardless of the situation, the good news is there are solutions out there for your customers. They came in thinking they had a major repair ahead of them, when, because of your knowledge and available parts and tools, they left with a relatively straightforward solution. Thanks for being with us, and we'll see you next time.